I've been trialing the new Avail stalking suit. Very impressed. It's going to be released in autumn 21, autumn of this year, and incredibly quiet. Very, very quiet to stalking. It's waterproof, a nice shade of green, perfect for stalking winter and summer. I mean, I've obviously been using it for summer roebucks. And in the morning at 4:30, it can be quite chilly, but you don't want something heavy and overwarm that you're going to be walking 2 hours later in. This is great. It's light, but it's waterproof. It's got the correct amount of warmth for the summertime roebuck stalking, and you just dress under it if you're out in the winter. It's perfect. I've trialed it now for several weeks. Absolutely not a single fault. I can't find anything bad to say about it, and I would be honest, it's perfect. It suits me down to the ground, and it's well priced. The jacket, $149.99, the trousers, $109.99, and the cap, $29.99. You've got a full suit of ideal stalking clothing, and it comes in a variety of sizes. Perfect, perfect.